Well, India's Monetary Policy Committee under RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has decided to retain the benchmark repo rate at 6.5%, that is with a majority of 4:2. This move comes after the MPC changed the stance at its last policy meet to neutral. What the RBI did do is cut CRR by 50 basis points to 4% at the latest meet. Now, GDP growth came in at a 7-quarter low of 5.4% for Q2, but Governor Das did say in the policy resolution that there does appear to be signs of bottoming out of high frequency indicators in Q2 with some sequential improvement being seen thereafter. Now, festive season demand, the Kharif crops that have been hitting the markets, the end of the southwest monsoons, as well as some uptick expected in government capex are all factors that are expected to boost growth going forward. But we did see a steep cut in GDP growth for FY25, now being projected at 6.6%. That's compared to 7.2% previously estimated. Q3 is now estimated at 6.8% from 7.4% earlier. Q4 at 7.2% from 7.4% earlier. Real GDP growth for Q1 in the next fiscal is now projected at 6.9% from 7.3 and 7.3% in Q2. The risks are expected to be evenly balanced. Inflation also did surge in October and exceeded the RBI's 4 plus or minus 2% target. Lingering food prices pressures are expected to keep this print elevated in the near term, according to Governor Das. CPI inflation is now projected at 4.8%, that's from 4.5% for the full fiscal year, with Q3 at 5.7%, up from 4.8% previously estimated. Q4 estimated at 4.5% from 4.2% earlier. For Q1, the RBI is now projecting inflation at 4.6% and Q2 is at 4%.